Brothers, sisters, this is Yusuf Estes for An-Nasiha Foundation. I'm encouraging myself and you to join together to raise some really good deeds for us. An-Nasiha Foundation started over 10 years ago serving Islam in the UK and around the world on social media, reaching over 1 million people. Their activities include classes for the born Muslims, new Muslims, exhibitions for the non-Muslims, the youth, sisters, homeschool, parent support, so much more. And here's how we can join together to get the rewards. Right now they need about £200,000 for a special building. And we all chip in together to help them raise it. We all get the rewards. Remember, the Prophet ﷺ told us that whoever builds a house for Allah in this dunya, Allah build a house for them in the Jannah. Oh yeah, I want that kind of house. And anytime somebody prays there, you'll get the reward for that. And if somebody makes shahada there, you get the reward for all of their good deeds and all of their children's good deeds and all of the generations after generations that come after them. So don't miss this chance. Don't lose out. Let's join together and support this amazing effort. Donate with us right now.